Hello, Miss Amaya. I know exactly what is going on for you. And it's been raining, sweetie. Hello, lovely people. Miss Amaya has been all over her enclosure at a door. It just is in that mode which kind of tells me she needs to come out. She needs to go outside. She needs to use the bathroom. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. It's been raining, so it's a little bit wet out there. So I'm not going to be staying outside for too long with her, but just long enough for her to actually go to the bathroom, which I hope is all that she wants to do, and not go exploring and checking things out, because I can't sit. I can't just chill out there with her. This will be a full-on, go to the toilet. Are you ready? Are you ready? Do you need a helping hand to come on out? Anyway, guys, I'll check back. I'll get her out and get her outside. Okay, as you can see, grey skies, wet ground, all of that stuff, but you know, when you got to go, you got to go, and I'm not going to just leave her in her enclosure and make her feel that, you know, again, you can just go in your enclosure. I really don't like to do it because I know they don't really like to do it. So a little bit of rain coming down, or just spitting fractionally. So I hope it doesn't take this girl too long to find where it is that she would like to go. Otherwise we're all going to end up rather wet today. But yes, she likes to explore too, and as you can see, you know, she's getting quite long now. She's, you know, still a little lightweight compared to a few of my other snakes, but she's still got a fair bit of growing to do. So the young man is already out on his trampoline in the rain, but he'll come inside when I come inside. Just there we go. Oh, as the rain starts really coming down. So come on, Amaya, don't be too long. You changed your mind because you can feel the rain on your back? Oh my goodness. And the rain on my camera, which a little bit won't matter. She's gonna go up under there. Come on, Amaya. Isn't this just fun and what we do? A little bit of hydration for her at the same time is certainly not a bad thing at all for her. She can come in and of course dry up that too, I guess. But I don't want my cam. Oh, okay, it stopped. We've got a bit of a reprieve here, Amaya, but I think it's going to come down fast real soon. So if you've not finished, don't you love videos like this where, you know, all I'm talking about is snakes and their toilet habit and so forth, but you know, it is a part of life, and it is. Yeah, she's going to go now, bless her. Like, so appreciate this. Like, you cannot understand that having snakes that are willing and wanting to come outside of their enclosure to do this. You know, how clean is they are. I'm tripping over all my words, but how clean are they keeping their enclosure? And they know they are. And, you know, yeah, it saves me a little bit of work, but it saves them feeling like they've got no choice. Here, they leave their mess and then they get away from it. In their enclosure, they certainly can't do that. So anyway, there we go. Here's she, no ums. Yeah, I'm trying to delete the ums because I do say that word a lot. But just a little video of letting you know. See, they show you, they let you know. Let me out, I need to go. So before we do end up saturated, I'm going to tune out. So I'm going to start the video with Sunny, and I'm going to see if I can show you, to start with, the trick that I've taught Sunny. With a camera in my hand, maybe she won't do it, but we'll give it our best shot and see how she goes, because I really want to show you the things I'm doing with Sunny and the things that I like to do with parrots, especially to keep them occupied, keep their brains thinking, which is really important with them so they don't be naughty. But let's see if she'll concentrate. What's that? What's that? Come on. Come on, Sunny. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. What did you do for Mum? Sorry about the camera work here, trying to concentrate on where she is and what she's doing. Here. Come on. And I have to be in the right position for her to do it. No. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Oh, did you get it? Yes, you got it. Good girl, Sunny. And then she's looking for the next one to come along. But she's learnt really fast. Now, it only took a few times for me to get her to do her 360, and she earns herself a sunflower. She's also learning to come to me by me tapping and and her knowing there's going to be a sunflower waiting for her when she comes over to me. I do this a few times a day with her, but she's quite content to just sort of hang out. Come, come, come. I know the jingle jangles there, isn't it? And yeah, that's the one that she keeps on flicking off all the time on me. But a video, yes, with Sunny. You know, I know my channel is, and I will say it again, about snakes, and believe me, none of them are forgotten. In amongst caring for Sunny here, is that, hey, we still have plenty of time for snakes, don't we? No, not the rings. Not the rings, Sunny. Do you want a kiss? Do you want a kiss? Did you want a kiss? Will Mum try giving you a kiss? Kiss? You give me a kiss? Mwah. You're good with kisses, aren't you? Now, I don't know if it's good to, you know, some people say don't kiss your bird and all the rest of it, but it's very much a part of Sunny and my life with her. But let's go over so you can quickly see little Leo here. He's still learning. He comes out on his own now and wanders around and plays, and he climbs up onto the keyboard and jumps on my fingers. So yeah, he's getting there, but he's still at me but he doesn't bite. Like he's all huff and puff and that's about it. And can we see Lily? Of course we can see Lily. And there she is, hanging out, as always. What are you going to do? You're going to give everybody a kiss? Yes, thank you, Sunny. That was very nice of you. I'm trying to get her to talk. You know, I'm spending a lot of time talking to her, repeating words, because they are talkers. But you know that Sunny is older when I got her. And, yeah, not much talking, I think, was done with her. But we're going to give it a go. Where are you going? Where do you want to go? Hey? Going somewhere? I know that Leo wants to be out too. So what are we going to do? Because Sunny has become very territorial here with people too. My little grandson, she's perfectly fine with. My daughter, Noah, who you all know, cannot be in this room because this area has totally become her territory. So she attacks them. And I mean, you don't want to be bitten by this girl, and you can't bite those, and you know it, and they're naughty. You've got to keep your eye on them and make sure that they're not eating things, chewing things that they shouldn't, which Sunny is able to do with that beak. And that's what I mean, you do not want to be bitten by Sunny. It hurts, and she is so territorial that if my daughter comes in and I go to sort of touch Sunny, she's having a drink of water actually right now, but she will bite me. She's that, yeah, about Taylor, that she'll bite me. She gives me, and it's a good bite. Trust me, it's a good bite where she can draw, well, she did draw blood. It's the first time she ever has with me, but I'm realizing how territorial. Now she's going to climb the blind, and I've got all sheet that I've put there because I wanted to block her view so that people could at least go into the kitchen and not, yeah, have this bird fly at them. So she has also kind of made, what are you going to do? You can hang there, that's good exercise for you, isn't it? And I can get your belly. I can get your belly. I can. What? You're going to climb back on my hand? That's kind of cheating. That is a cheating thing. And then she preens me and just pulls the littlest bit of skin. Not all the time, but sometimes. And it can hurt too. But anyway, guys, Miss Territorial, got to get her out of that. So I've been watching videos on how to stop that from happening. I've just got to get my daughter on board because she is quite afraid of her. So, till my next video, and no snake. I did show you Lily. Yeah, I did show you Lily. You all take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.